How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our K-Force Micro versus our K-Force Mini light bars. So for example here, I brought our K-Force Micro 14, our K-Force 18, our K-Force Micro 21, and our K-Force 27. Now the main difference between our Micro and our standard K-Force series is the top cover is about 6 inches wide on your Micro series versus the standard about 12 inches wide on our standard K-Force here. So I did bring a TIR model of our K-Force Micro 14 here and a multicolor linear K-Force 18, so you can see the difference here. And to control these, I'm using the dual memory SIG plug for our 14 and 18 size mini light bars. So if I flip in one power mode here, you'll see I have a flash pattern programmed in that alternating style flash pattern. Now we do offer both of these models in our TIR optics in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations, and in our multicolor linear, where you'll notice your unit is flashing back and forth between its primary and secondary colors. And we do offer both of those optics in amber, red, blue, green, and clear. And we also have our Customize a Light Bar tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. Now this is our K-Force Micro 14 TIR and our multicolor K-Force 18, for example, here. And so you'll see that I'm in power mode 1 there in an alternating style flash pattern, and you do have 2 flash pattern memories. So if I flip over to the other power mode, you'll see I'm in a half-half style flash pattern, so you can easily swap between your 2 flash patterns on your optional dual memory SIG plug there. And you do have 30 flash patterns on our TIR models, and you'll have 40 flash patterns on our multicolor linear. And when it comes to our multicolor linear, you do have the ability to run your unit in multicolor or your primary or secondary colors individually by using the built-in flash patterns. And you do have that memory recall for your flash patterns as well in the 2 power modes with our dual memory SIG plug here. So you'll have your 2 power modes, and then you have your flash pattern changer here with our dual memory SIG plug. Now to control both of these units at the same time, I'm using my SIG plug Y splitter here as well, which we have available if you would like to control 2 SIG plug products off of 1 SIG plug. Now for example here, I brought our K-Force 27 TIR in an amber green alternating color combination, and I brought our K-Force Micro 21 in a multicolor red-blue linear color combination. So again, you'll notice your difference there between our single color TIR optic and our multicolor linear with the red-blue flashing back and forth there. And again, you can run your unit in multicolor or your primary or secondary colors individually by using the built-in flash patterns. And then here is a amber green alternating color combination where you'll see your modules go green amber green amber green amber all the way around the light bar. And to activate these, I'm using my optional grand control here, where I have my power button and then I have my pattern changer, so you can cycle to a pattern you'd like. And these units have memory recall, so you can shut your units off and back on, and they'll remember the last pattern they were on. And you have your TD button here, which will activate your 2 alley lights in steady burn. And then you have your aux button here where you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting, all off of our optional grand control. So between our K-Force Micro 14 TIR up here, our multicolor K-Force 18, our multicolor K-Force Micro 21, and our K-Force 27 TIR, for example here, you'll see we have plenty of options for any mini light bar application. And again, we offer all of these light bar models in our single and dual color TIR option or our multicolor linear as well. And those come in amber, red, blue, green, and clear. And if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle, you can use our customization tool and you can customize your light bar exactly how you need it. So make sure to check out our product pages and watch our product demos, our flash pattern videos, and also check out our interactive players to demo your product before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.